So a film where India and Australia are coming together and it's releasing on a day which is the birthday of a man who's a super Indian who's troubled Australia on the cricket field. Sachin Tendulkar's birthday. It's out on Netflix across 190 countries. The stars of that film are with us from home. Hi Randeep, hi Priyanshu, hi Rudraksh. Is Extraction going to be the most fun distraction for the whole world in times of lockdown?
We are going through a mentally and emotionally tough time throughout the world, and I think there's so much news and about the all the grim things going on. So I think this can be a good extraction, could be a good distraction coming out to take people's mind off the pandemic, even if for 2 hours. And it's a very powerful film, and it will engage you, and that will just make your world a better place. I think just even if it is for 2 hours.
And releasing
Yeah,
on
it
Sachin
has a
Tendulkar's
lot of.
birthday. So that's another high as well, isn't it?
That's amazing.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah,
It's
didn't
like
think of
there's
that.
so much of actually. We didn't know. I didn't know that. But it's got so much of
yeah,
fighting and action. I think for 2 hours, I think people need a lot of good
I
spirits to go up. So we're
yeah.
just gonna give them this fighting spirit. People get boosted up. Yeah, definitely.
I
Rudraksh,
went to
Extraction
when
has
you
a
met
lot
Australia
the
of.
to
star,
study by looking at the cricket matches, the test matches that used to go on. So I used to see all these people lying there half naked watching the matches. So that's why I went to Australia to study. So that's my Australian Indian connection with the cricket.
right? Rudraksh, when you met the star of Avengers, did you tell him that listen, I played Sahadev in Mahabharat, which is our own Avengers, which happened a few thousand years ago?
No, I did not tell him about Mahabharat, but I did show him my few advertisements that I recently did, and he liked it a lot. I mean, it had a lot of comedy involved in it, so it was fun watching with him. Yeah, the first time I met him, I was starstruck. And you know what? We discussed our personal life also when we had a lot of readings in Ahmedabad with Sam sir, Chris sir, and me. We discussed a lot about the film, the characters, and our personal, um, yeah, life also.
Priyanshu, I believe you struck a deal with your parents. They wanted to send you to Australia. You said, no, no, hang on. Let's strike a deal. A few years later, I'll get an Aussie star to come to India instead. So life has come a full circle, isn't it, for you?
Yeah. No. I told him 10 years back. Don't worry, I'll get all these Australians to come and work with me. So please send me to Mumbai. But the idea was I was basically doing a filmmaking course back in Bangalore where I grew up, and the headquarters of that filmmaking course is actually in Sydney, Australia, and there's got a lot of centers in Melbourne, Barron Bay, and I wanted to do one more year of just doing more on sound and specialization and that like anyway cinema पढ़ रहा है, फील्ड भी अलग है, बैंगलोर में रह के आईटी वाईटी तो कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, so but at least go and do more study, do higher studies if you want to do it in Australia. But suddenly I changed my mind and I said 2010. I was like, "Okay, actually, the fees which you're gonna give for Australia, can you just take care of my rent in Mumbai because I think I'm gonna shift to Mumbai now." And they were like, "ये क्या हो गया? What is this change?" But I think it was a good step. Why not? Like, and now it is, as you're saying, it's come to the full circle. I'm working with the guys from Australia and one of the best people from there.
Right. Right. Randeep,
Good
one of
return
your
on
Instagram
investment for your
posts,
parents.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Or as the Aussies say, good on you, mate. Well done.
Oh
Good on you,
yes.
mate. Well, don't say well done.
Yeah.
Right.
It's good on you, mate. Is
Right.
good.
Randeep, one of your Instagram posts, you've written a Haryanvi line which says, Jam ho gaye te kati. Okay, so is that the one line that describes the challenge of doing this film and the gamut of experiences that you had to face while you made Extraction?
Absolutely. The first time I went there and saw the action rehearsal, which they quite nonchalantly said, "Oh, this is what you'll be going to do. You'll be doing." So जाम तो वहीं हो गए थे और फिर धीरे धीरे उन्होंने शुरू किया और काफ़ी टफ रहा it took us 3 weeks to get it all right, and then we shot it, and first it was individually, then Chris and me, so a lot of sweat, blood, and a lot of heart poured into that. So yes, जाम हो गए थे करते वक्त, और भी जाम हो गए थे because we had to do many takes as well, because all departments have to come in right at the right time, and it has to
Right.
look like very real and happening right then. So and also सबसे ज़्यादा जाम तो तब हुए थे जब एक कार चेस में मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, and हिंदी में करें इंग्लिश में?
बिल्कुल सर, जो आपको ठीक है, हरियाणवी भी कर लो, नो प्रॉब्लम।
तो मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था, तो मैं बैठा हुआ ना, वो स्टीयरिंग व्हील काम कर रहा, ना रेस, ना एक्सीलरेटर, ना ब्रेक, ना कुछ। तो बोले कि ये तुम नहीं चला रहे, कोई और चला रहा है। तो मैंने पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो एक आदमी ऐसे लेटा हुआ था गाड़ी के बूट में ना, और उसके पास स्टीयरिंग व्हील, उसके पास सब कुछ। मैं कहा भाई ये देखेगा कहाँ से, चलाएगा कैसे? यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, इज एन एक्सपीरियंस गाय। तो फिर उन्होंने किया, और यहाँ से मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं उसको गोली मार रहा हूँ, इधर से एक गाड़ी आ रही है, वो उछल के मेरी गाड़ी के ऊपर से उधर जा रही है, और दूसरा यहाँ जा रहा है। अच्छा, वो बोले कि ओके अनदर टेक। मैं कहा एक आधी गाड़ी होगी, टूट फूट गई। सो दे डिड मेनी टेक्स एंड मेनी कार्स लेटर वी गॉट इट राइट। सो जाम तो सबसे ज्यादा वहाँ हुए थे कि मगर ले भाई, मेरी माँ बोल रही है और कर ले एक्टिंग।
रुद्राक्ष, मैंने इस फिल्म के दोनों ट्रेलर देखे, इंग्लिश और हिंदी। उसमें एक लाइन है कि द किड इज अ वॉकिंग कॉर्प्स, और हिंदी वाले में है कि ये लौंडा चलती फिरती लाश है। Does that line describe how you were through these strenuous shoot schedules and doing all kinds of stunts with this big 6 foot plus guy?
No, actually, it was a lot of fun. And looking back at the experience, I feel it has been a very good learning experience for me. And I got to take back a lot from Chris sir. We had good memories in India as well. I told him about a lot of Indian traditions, amazing Indian delicacies. I even told him to say the Hindi dialogue, iconic Bollywood dialogue. He even said that. So we had fun times, and it was not challenging at all. I feel Extraction has a lot of emotionally and physically challenging sequences. So I make sure to put my best foot forward when it came to preparations and performances. And as you know, there was support from both the sides, Chris sir and Sam sir, and even Randeep sir. They helped me completely. And we had a lot of readings in Ahmedabad. That really helped me understand the intricacies and the emotionally challenging aspect of my character. Physically, I prepared myself. Actually, I do a lot of gymnastics and MMA, so that really helped me cope up with my action sequences. So yeah,
Wow.
I feel that was a good experience.
First day I
Priyanshu
met
playing a
him,
character
he
from-
came to receive me at the airport, and he came. I said, "Wow!" I said, "How old are you?" So he came to my room and we sat down, and I said, so then he, right there in the first meeting in my room, he showed me all these kung fu moves. I said, man, I'm working with Kung Fu Panda here, bro. So yeah, no, he's very good. He's very good.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
I believe Chris called for his insurance agent saying, यार इसके साथ काम करना, थोड़ा और इंश्योरेंस करा लेता हूँ, पता नहीं कुछ लगभग जाए तो।
क्रिस तो
Now,
पता नहीं
Priyanshu,
नेटफ्लिक्स वाले
you-
जरूर कर रहे हैं।
करेक्ट। अरे नेटफ्लिक्स वाले तो बड़ा ख्याल रखते हैं, जो टीचर देखते हैं सेट पे वो।
Yeah.
अरे प्रियांशु का भी नंबर आने दे यार, मैं प्लीज मैं बीच में
वही। Priyanshu, you playing a character from Bangladesh. You are a South Indian from North India. देहरादून Bangalore connection है भाई। ये बांग्लादेशी एक्सेंट कैसे लाया, अगर लाए तो?
बहुत ही मुश्किल था। मतलब हर दिन I was tense, I was sweating, and मतलब हालत खराब होती थी। मैं तो इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा प्री प्लानिंग करी हुई थी। ऑफ कोर्स यू गाइस मेक श्योर दैट यू आर कंफर्टेबल, और 2-3 महीने से आपको दे गिवन मी अ ट्यूटर एक्चुअली, रफाएल, जो बांग्लादेशी फिल्म मेकर भी हैं, वो मेरे साथ पूरी लैंग्वेज ट्रेनिंग करते थे। हर दिन हम लोग वॉइस चैट वीडियो कॉल करके। बट ऑन द डे ऑफ द शूट मैं किसी से बात नहीं करता था। जितने भी बाकी एक्टर्स थे, सुदीप्तो, शताफ, सूरज है, बड़े सही एक्टर्स हैं जो मेरे गैंग मेंबर्स प्ले कर रहे हैं। तो अगर मेरे पास आके टाइम पास के लिए से पूछ रहे कि भाई और क्या हो रहा है, और क्या काम कर रहे हो तुम, मैं बस चुपचाप रहता था, उनकी तरफ देखता रहता था, क्योंकि मैं अपनी लाइन ही, ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज़ अगर मैं एक वर्ड भी भूल गया और वो शॉट के बीच में हो गया, प्लस इट्स सच अ बिग सेटअप, आई डोंट वांट टू screw up anything, I don't want to take chances. तो डबल प्रिपरेशन हुई इस बार, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हिंदी इंग्लिश होती है तो कभी आप लाइन में भूल जाते हो, आप इम्प्रोवाइज कर लेते हो या कुछ अलग तरीके से अपनी लाइन में। जैसे कट होता था, जब जिस दिन पैकअप हो जाता था, उसके बाद में इनके साथ अलग तरीके से बिहेव करता था। उन्होंने कहा अब बात कर सकते हैं, अब बताओ जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है बाकी। बट अदरवाइज
अब ये बताओ कि आपने इन द पास्ट न्यूज चैनल में काम किया, आई थिंक बैंगलोर में, where you were producing and writing a lifestyle show. So once the film comes out on the 24th, that's tomorrow, how do you think news channels across India will react to this, or what are what are you expecting the reaction to be like? Give me a news headline on Extraction.
Man, the lifetime when I used to cover parties and food festival, I think one of the best things to happen in Bangalore, and also for very
अरे वाह
short span of time. Just doing it for 6 months, and that's the best time you're in the press, and आपको सब invite भेजे होते. You want a headline for that? I would just say the best
Okay,
action to come out.
we'll let you.
I'll think of
the attraction
Right,
of
Randeep.
Extraction.
Wow,
Yeah.
क्या बात है. Randeep, lots of tough action sequences for you. Now, you said somewhere that there were rehearsals and practice sessions that happened for days and days for a really short sequence. What's there to learn for us in India from the way Hollywood functions, the way they break a shot, the way they prep, and just a general sense of how a Hollywood production works? Like, what is it that we need to learn from them?
First of all, I mean, it's not that we are pretty good. ऐसी बात नहीं है, पर उनसे थोड़ा सा और भी हम सीख सकते हैं, which is, more prep time, more precision, more availability of the talent or actors before the shoot, and also safety is another aspect, that in spite of us doing all these dangerous stunts, our safety was very prime, which here is also, but not to that degree. I have gotten hurt many times in little action sequences that I have done before. But those are the main things. And of course, I mean, it's not that I like the way we work as well. I've been doing it for 20 years. I like the way we work as well. There's a certain, ghar ki baat about it, and you're more easy, and we still get the work done. Our communication is not 12 minutes and 11 minutes में आपको मैं बोलूँगी कि बस हो गया and all that. So उस type से नहीं होता. But yeah, we can learn. There's always more to learn. It's for them also. They're always learning as well. So I think it's great.
राइट सो हिंदुस्तान में जो आम जनता है उनको रूसो ब्रदर्स के बारे में ज्यादा पता नहीं, लेकिन अब लोग कहने लगे कि हाँ शायद ये हॉलीवुड के अब्बास मुस्तान है. सो गिव मी अ सेंस ऑफ व्हाट देयर अप्रोच इज लाइक ऑन सेट, एंड डिड सैम हारग्रेव्स हैव directorial debut nerves at all? Give me a sense of how these three guys operate, and do the Russo brothers wear white at all or not? Yeah, sure.
Sam, I would say I did not get the chance to meet the Russo brothers, because whenever I was shooting, I just said hello once to Joe Russo when he was there. But जैसे मैंने कहा कि मैं अपने जोन में बैठा रहता था, तो मैं भूल ही गया उनसे बात करना. But Sam, I'm telling you, the coolest, the chill out director you would see. He's dancing, he's got his music on sometimes, he's just roaming around.
Yeah.
And and singing some song, अपना dance कर रहे हैं. But when I saw the film, actually, when I saw the end product, I was like, oh my god, this guy has made something massive. Some of the most unique action scenes I've never seen some of the action scenes which is done right now in this film. And there is that heart and soul also. So he knew exactly what he wanted. He was clear. I mean, he was directing an actor.
Yeah.
He doesn't understand Bangla. I don't understand Bangla. I just learned Bangla. He's so confident on it. So there are three people getting that one line, but because he was clear, because he was confident what he wanted from his character and what he was making with that large scale, and with that calm, composed coolness, it was great. And that was great to watch.
Right, Rudraksh.
Yeah,
I believe
Actually,
you won
Sam is
noodles.
Sam is probably the, I don't know, 18th or 20th first time director I've worked with, and he's very unlike a first time director. He's first of all very open. He's very secure in his space, and he's open to suggestions, and he's always like, let's try it, what will happen, Max is that we're going to go wrong. I think that's a very pro director's approach. And also he went into this space of the movie, and he was right in there. And if it wasn't for Sam, we would not have been able to do these great action sequences, because Sam himself was shooting them, hanging off cars and coming down buildings. So in that sense, Sam didn't seem like a first-time director at all. Neither did Rudy.
Rudraksh, I believe you once auditioned for a noodles ad which did not quite work out, and then you're getting a film with the makers of Avengers. So do you think the reaction at Billabong International School is going to change 180 now?
Yeah, I mean, that was the start of my career. I was very nervous, and It was tough in my school, so that mixed reactions, mixed emotions when I came into the field of acting.
Hmm.
Then, yeah, I got my first serial in Mahabharat. Then people got to know me in the school. So, yeah, friend circle kept increasing. Then then they know that I work with Chris Hemsworth. So, yeah, it's been a teenage sensation, Chris Hemsworth, always. So, when they got to know, I mean, my film is releasing on the 24th. So, they keep asking me, they keep messaging me, calling me, please, can we have a photo? Can we have an autograph? So, I make them jealous, kind of. Yeah, it's fun.
Are the young
Billabong is an
girls
Aussie
reacting very
name.
differently now?
It's fun to make.
Yeah?
Billabong
Sorry, I
is
could
an
not
Aussie
hear you.
name.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
Priyanshu,
It's from the
finally,
village,
before we
yeah.
wrap up, there is generally a lot of secrecy around on all Netflix productions, and actors don't want to jeopardize it or jinx it. When did you tell Deepti Nawal, who's played a key role in your life, did you tell her as soon as you got the film, or did you have to stay quiet about it for a long, long time?
No, I wanted to stay quiet also about it because I thought let it be a surprise, a good surprise. I mean, because also in my career right now, such early in my career, I'm getting to do something like this so big and so challenging and very, very difficult. I never thought I'd be getting an antagonist role in a Cruise Super film. So I thought let me just surprise people, and that's the fun way. Then let's suddenly just share the trailer with them, and then let's see what their reaction is. And everybody's been just overwhelming response. People just been pouring love. That's the best thing now. So,
Super. And as we wrap up, can we have Randeep Hooda speaking to the large Hindi heartland of India? क्योंकि ये film English में भी आ रही है, हिंदी में भी आ रही है. So if you were to do a two-line Haryanvi sales pitch to this country of 1.3 billion people, what would you say to them before we wrap up?
दिल में भर के आग मटा है मट लो 2 घंटे के मजे.
Excellent. I think अगर इसका मतलब समझ में नहीं आता है तो आप फिल्म देखो. हमारे हुड्डा साहब
Film
है,
देखो,
पंकज
समझ
त्रिपाठी भी है, प्रियांशु भी है और रुद्राक्ष भी है. हमारे इंडियंस भी है और सामने एक लौता बड़ा ऑस्ट्रेलियन. सो ये इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया की पार्टनरशिप देखो. सचिन तेंदुलकर के बर्थडे पे रिलीजिंग अक्रॉस 190 कंट्रीज on Netflix. It's called Extraction, starring Chris Hemsworth as well. So watch it and have fun. I'll see you soon on Just Been Sessions.
see you. Thank you.